Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be working with AF Sister wig. They're actually on Amazon at the moment. I had no idea that they was on Amazon. So we're gonna work with a wig that's 1B 27 180 density. It's a 13 by 6 T-part wig, so it doesn't have as much parting space as a normal 13 by 6, but it does have, you can do the middle part, you can do a side part on either side as well. So as you guys can see, I am putting on my stocking cap right now just so it can blend a little bit better with the parting space. The parting space is lightly bleached to minimize any type of shedding, so you guys don't have to do that. Pre-plucked hairline, etc. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut my lace. I'm also going to do some baby hairs, and I'm just adjusting the wig on my head at the moment. There is an adjustable band in the back that's optional. You don't have to use that. You can use the regular ones that come with the wig already. And now I'm just combing, and then I'm going through to cut this lace off. So I cut the lace over. I also cut the ear tabs, being careful to not cut the hair. Ear tabs are always the most hardest thing to cut. So yeah, I'm doing a little zigzag part. I'm not going to be laying my wig down because I'm not going to be going anywhere. But if you guys wanted to have a light fuse, got to be for a light hold, and Ghost Bond for a heavier hold. So now I'm going through with my hot comb, and I'm just making sure the wig is a little bit flat. You guys can pluck the parting area if you would like to. I just did not, just because I was not going nowhere. Once again, I did ended up adding some powder to the parting space, so it made it look a little bit more open, as you guys can see in this clip right here. So after I did that, I just made sure makeup was not too much like on the brown area, because sometimes it gets on there as well. So it looks a little bit more realistic. I also went and I just shift my part over. You guys can part it out and then lay it down again, but I was just too lazy to do that. So I am styling right now, and I'm going to tell you guys more about the wig, pros, cons, and if I recommend it. Stay tuned. Right, y'all, I was supposed to be talking to y'all while I was flat ironing, but anyway, we're gonna get into this wig, the pros, the cons, and everything like that. So as you guys can see, I did add some makeup to the part, plucked it, but I did not lay this wig down. I don't usually lay my wigs down because I'm not going out. Tuck this behind my ear to give it a more natural look or whatever. So this is a wig from AF Sister Wig, but they are now on Amazon. I had no idea they was on Amazon. Not sure how long they have been on Amazon, because I was gonna order a wig from them a while ago because I saw they had super good quality hair, and I was looking for something that was long lasting and I could keep it for a while. So as you guys can see, I have this ombre. This is a T-part 13 by 6 frontal wig. So I usually don't do frontals much anymore. As you guys see, I do a lot of headband wigs or whatever, but this was a pleasant surprise. They have the dark roots at the top and then like the honey blonde towards the bottom. So this wig really impressed me because when I first took it out the package, I thought it had like a bunch of flyaways and stuff, because you see the hair is already colored. So usually when you color any type of hair, I don't care what it is, what type of virgin hair it is, it usually just, you know, gets kind of messed up, I can say. You guys don't use the right bleach and stuff like that, but this hair quality is really good even after the color. And I don't know how they did it, what they did with it, but this hair has barely any flyaways or anything like that. The hair is silky smooth even after it being colored, and the cut is perfect. Like the length, this is 12 inches, so the length and the cut is perfect to me. Shedding is basically non-existent at the moment. When I did cut the lace, as you guys saw, I cut the ear tab, so there was a tiny bit of shedding behind that, but nothing at all. Like it was like 2 or 3 strands or whatever. I did put my edges out just because I just like doing that. I just wanted to look more like my hair as possible. I did have it at the what do you call it, I had it at the middle part at first, and then I switched to the side part because you guys know I like the side part better. This wig is definitely like a wear out the box type of wig. You don't have to do much to it. I just laid down my part comb, as you guys saw that, and I did only a little bit there, and the flat iron I just went through on each side and called it a day. This wig doesn't need much at all. I did end up shifting my part instead of making a new part just because I didn't feel like it. Don't mind if the wig is like lifting back or anything like that, but I'm trying to see, like I did see some parting area along here, so I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, there is some parting area right here, even though it is a T-part wig. So let me see how far it goes over, because it does, this is a 13 by 6, and this wig is $97, I believe, and 1 cent, which is a weird price, but it's a good price, under $100. So yeah, I do still see parting area right here. but it gets tracky right along through there. Not any tangle or anything like that. I can tell this hair is amazing quality. This is probably one of the best wigs I ever have received from an Amazon vendor. Even though they are AF Sister wig, they are selling on Amazon. But yes, like, this is the color variation they got. So that's it underneath right there. And the top is more like a brown. I wouldn't say it's a black, it's more like a number 2, almost going into number 4. There's a cutoff right there with the gradient. So I would say if you guys are annoyed by that, I would just basically just add some more dark brown hair dye and just literally take your comb, add the dye, and go like that to where you want the dye to be a little further down. But just be careful when you're washing it out that it doesn't get on the actual blonde hair. So let's go into the pros and the cons and everything like that. So the pros of this hair, super good hair quality, as you guys can see. This is gonna last you a very long time. You can pull this out anytime you want. This is very adjustable. It has the bra strap underneath. This is the first time I ever even used any adjustable strap or bra strap, and you can, it's optional to use that if you want, because you can take it off. It's really secure on my head. I don't have an issue with that. A good amount of parting space here and there. Not much work you have to do at all. All you have to do is just, you know, lay down your parting if you want to do that. I would say pluck it if need be. You can also run the flat iron through if you want. You don't have to, just because the hair is such a silky finish. They did a great job on this blonde color. I feel like it will flatter a lot of complexions for sure. It's not going to be one of those washouts. When I first put it on, I thought it was like, this is washing me out a bit. But as I look at it more and more, I did have my hair like this color before, my actual natural hair, a long time ago. So yeah, it's definitely bringing back some memory. So the cons, this is a 12-inch wig, 13 by 6 T-part, so it's almost $100. So that might be a con for some people, but like I said, the quality that you're getting is definitely worth the price. You're gonna be able to pull this out whenever you need to, wash, condition. You can heat style it however you want to do it. Bra strap thing in the back, like I said, is optional because I had a hard time with that, like getting it correct, because I never used it before. That's about it. I don't have anything else bad to say about this wig. I do really love this wig. I'm going to show you the parting space. Don't mind my wig like shifting back. I'm going to cover that part. But that's the parting space right there. This is the actual hair on the wig. It's really, I'm super impressed by this. I didn't think, I don't know, like already colored hair sometimes is a hit or miss, and I had a lot of misses with already colored hair. So yeah, I definitely do like it. I like the length, and I don't even really ever like short hair like that, but I like this length. It definitely looks good. It looks a little uneven just because I just shifted my part. I did not part it out and make it a side part because I had already, you know, hot combed it to this one side already. So yeah, this is the wig right here, AF Sister wig. This is an ombre wig, 180% density. I will say the density is a natural density. It's not too heavy, not too Dora like, anything like that. I recommend this wig. Yes, I would if you're looking for a bob that's already colored, that you don't have to bleach yourself and try to get the correct color that you want. You can also tone this hair. You can darken it. You can do whatever you want. You can turn it red. You can turn it blue, green, whatever you want to do. You can do that with this hair because it's 100% human hair. I told you all specs in the beginning of the video so you guys know how much it costs. Length, density, and 13 by 6 T-part. I said that multiple times already. So yeah, that's my review on this wig. Definitely check them out on Amazon. I'll have all the links down below.